My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the adware called InitialPlatform. This InitialPlatform is the adware from the adload family, and this adware attacks Mac computers these days. InitialPlatform adware, once installed, may start to display the large portion of pretty intrusive advertisements which are definitely not related to the sites that you visit. So if you have found this InitialPlatform on your computer, you need to right click on it and move it to the trash. In case you find anything else that is suspicious here, get rid of it. Now, to be convinced that your computer is free of other threats, I recommend you to scan your system with Combo Cleaner. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. You may select your preferred operating system, by the way. In fact, the site combocleaner.com will automatically identify your operating system. Click on Download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and then start researching your system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner Antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.